Hey there, winter wellness seekers. As the chilly season rolls in, it's time to fortify our defences against those pesky colds. Today I've got a fantastic remedy to share with you, ginger lemon tea. This magical brew combines the zesty kick of ginger with the refreshing zing of lemon, creating a powerhouse of health benefits. First up, ginger. It's not just a spice, it's a superhero in the world of natural remedies. Subscribe for more health videos and check out description. Ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe sore throats and ease congestion. Plus, it's a natural immune booster, helping your body fend off infections. Now let's talk about lemon. Packed with vitamin C, lemon is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. It also aids in digestion and helps detoxify your body, keeping you feeling fresh and energized. And don't forget the honey. This golden nectar not only sweetens your tea, but also has antibacterial properties. It's great for soothing coughs and sore throats, making your winter wellness routine even more effective. To make this soothing tea, simply steep some fresh ginger slices in hot water, squeeze in half a lemon, and stir in a spoonful of honey. Sip it slowly, breathe in the warmth, and feel the goodness flow through you. Remember to check the description below for the full recipe and more winter wellness tips. And hey, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more health boosting ideas. Stay cozy, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.